Are your Jotform submissions missing? Maybe respondents say they submitted the form, but you can't find the entries in your account, or perhaps some submissions appear to have disappeared completely. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Jotform missing submission issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, refresh the submissions page and check again. Temporary loading issues can sometimes prevent entries from appearing. Ask the user whether they received a confirmation message after submitting the form. If they didn't see a success page, the submission may not have gone through. Deleted submissions may still be available in the trash folder.
Hi, how can
Open
I
the
help you?
trash section and see whether the missing entries are stored there. Yeah, sometimes filters hide entries without you realizing it. Clear all filters and search settings to make sure submissions aren't being hidden. If email notifications are enabled, review your inbox to confirm whether submissions were successfully received. If your form is connected to Google Sheets, Dropbox, or another integration, the data may have been sent there instead of appearing where you expected. Account session issues can occasionally affect what you see. Sign out of Jotform and then sign back in to refresh your account. Open Jotform in another browser and check the submissions again. Browser-related problems can sometimes affect the dashboard. If you've reached your submission limit or account quota, new entries may stop being accepted. Review your account usage to confirm. If the submissions are still missing, contact Jotform support for assistance. They can investigate account-specific issues and help recover data when possible. And that's how to fix Jotform submission missing issues in 2026. Most problems can be solved by checking filters, reviewing integrations, or confirming that submissions were successfully completed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.